everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's about 12 and I actually have had quite a productive day. So before I beat myself up, I have uploaded my EE. IB people, you'll know what that is like. I have actually done some work on my English, so I actually have been quite productive today. But I don't know about you guys, but I've just had enough. I've had enough with lockdown, I've had enough with school, I've had enough with the whole situation, and I have been neglecting self-care. So today I've decided that I'm going to be prioritising self-care. I've got a little things to do list in my head that is self-care related. So we're going to have a bath. Obviously I'm not going to show myself in the bath because that would be weird. I'm going to tidy my room. I'm going to do a face mask. I'm going to watch some TV. I'm also going to order some stuff for my room, which is very exciting. I'm also going to be doing a whole room transformation video, so subscribe if you want to see that. I'm also filming this on my phone, so I really hope the quality isn't too bad. Anyway, so today's just going to be a really chilled vlog, and I'm going to try and inspire you guys to prioritise self-care. If you've not been doing it, this is your sign. Have a 4-hour bath, shave or not, your preference. Do a face mask, do a hair mask, go the extra mile, just prioritise your self-care. Whatever self-care means to you, do it. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so I've now finished all my English work. I know that's not really in the spirit of self-care, but I just wanted to do it so I don't have to do it over the weekend, so I can just chillax. Not that that's not what I've been doing most of this day, but I've just finished it and now I don't need to stress. And now I can have a fully free weekend without having to do any work, so that's great. Okay, what are we gonna do next? Probably gonna tidy my room, but then I'm probably gonna do my face mask because this is an issue. Okay, sorry, quick interruption to the aesthetic cleaning montage, but I just wanted to show you the top that I got from at Rama by Rachel. I've just moved into some better lighting. Please excuse my hair. I haven't had it done since September, so that's why it's half black and half blonde, but anyway. So this is the top. It's got Twiggy on it. I'm pretty sure she was a model in like the 90s or 80s. I can't remember, so don't come for me. But it is amazing. It's just a bit of a graphic vest moment that I think everyone needs. So I'm going to attach her Instagram and Depop down below, so definitely go and check her out if you want to buy something. It was also quite reasonably priced. I think it's about £23, which is really good for like a handmade top that someone's made. I actually made a really cool edit of me wearing it, which I have put on my story on my Instagram, so if you want to see it, go hit up my Instagram. But again, this is the top. I love it. Thank you. Okay, so I've now finished tidying my room. It took a long time, but I'm glad I've done it because it just makes me feel so much better. I don't know if it's just me, but if I have a tidy room, I have a tidy mind. Such wise words. Anyway, I'm now tired after that strenuous work, so I think I'm going to watch some TV. I've been watching The Bold Type on Netflix and I really recommend it. It's about these like 3 girls who live in New York and they work for a magazine called Scarlet and they just have so much drama and it's so good. I really recommend it. I'm also going to start ordering some stuff for my room. I'll give you a little sneak peek, but not too much because we've got a whole separate video for that, so I'm not going to show you too much. So this is a list of things I need to buy. I'm trying to go for the like Scandinavian, colourful pastel, all the bendy candles, blob candles, hay crates, Gustav Westman mirrors. Not that I can afford one of those because they are literally like £400 for a mirror. I was going to try and make one, but I was like, Lou, you're getting way too ahead of yourself. You're not going to be able to make one, but anyway, I ordered this rug off Urban Outfitters. I can't tell if I like it or not, but it's like the same slogan as the Glossier You Look Good thing that they have in the mirror in the shop. And I don't know, I just quite liked it. Okay, so it's now a couple hours later. I'm now ready for my bath. Welcome to my bathroom. Look how cool all the mirrors are. They don't actually show you reflection. What have I done this afternoon? I made a mug cake. It was really, really nice. I really recommend it. And I watched about 2 hours of TV. And now I'm going to have my bath. Okay, I've been saying I'm going to do a face mask all day, and now it's time. So we've got a choice between 2 face masks. We've got the Ami Naturally Kind Clear and Calm Detoxifying Clay Mask, or the Simple De-Stress Sheet Mask. I don't know, I'm just going to do this one because I can't be bothered to put this on my face and like wash it off. It's just a lot of effort. Okay. This is the current situation. It's been about 10 minutes. Can't really be bothered to keep this on my face anymore because I just want to get in the bath. But, ooh, greasy. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Okay, well, it was a nice face mask, I do recommend. Before I get in the bath, I just want to show you what I'm gonna put in my bath because I'm obviously not gonna show myself in the bath because that would be child pornography. So I'm going to be putting these little mojito bath salts. Honestly, I got these for my birthday about 2 years ago, but they're quite bougie, so I didn't want to put them to waste. Look, they've got like a whole little bag and everything. They're from Oliver Bonas. Probably don't sell them anymore, but it's worth a try. To be honest, they don't smell like mojitos, but I guess we're just going to have to try. No, not at all. Anyway, I just wanted to show you those. I was in there for about an hour, but that's okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it off here now because I'm gonna go and edit this and upload it as soon as possible. But I hope this video inspired you to have a self-care day, prioritize yourself, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and if you like these kind of videos, I'll definitely do one again because I will be needing another self-care day very soon. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, all of that jazz. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!